Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. If you're new here, you're most welcome. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube subscribe watermark into your videos. I understand a lot of people don't know how to add it, and even some don't know what it actually means. So, in this video, I'm going to explain you all about this particular feature and how important this feature is on your channel. Once you add this in your videos, people can subscribe to your channel while watching your videos. They can literally click on this watermark and get subscribed to your channel while watching your videos. Alright guys, so let's go through the tutorial and know how does this actually works and how to add it up on your channel. Now the first thing to do, you go to the YouTube Studio website, and this is my YouTube Studio website for my second channel. And once you reach on your YouTube Studio website, you tap on. Now, before you continue, shout out to Alex, Craig, and Sweet Money. You know, I always give random shout outs to my subscribers. So if you want to get a shout out in my next video, just subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and leave a like on this video. All right, let's continue. The word customization right there, and this is the screen that will come next. Now when you reach on this screen, just go direct to the last option where you see video watermark, and when you read on this description, it shows that the watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. And here, as you see, an image that is 150 by 150 pixels is recommended. Okay, so you have to make sure that an image that you're putting here, it is an image that is 150 by 150 pixels, and you can literally edit it in any kind of design that you wanted using your favorite editor. You can use InShot, you can use Photoshop, you can use any kind of photo editing software. Now after that, you tap on the word upload right here. As you see, this is the screen that has come next. So you choose which kind of photo you want to use or which kind of a pic you want to use. Okay, I'll literally use this particular pic. Okay, this is just for my example. Okay, so once that is done, it literally crops it automatically. Okay, then you tap on done, and as you see right here, my watermark is actually added, and from there you can actually choose at what time should this video watermark actually appear. Okay, you can say at the end of video, custom start time, entire video. It is all about you to choose which is favorite for you. Okay, you can literally remove, you can edit and change, or okay, you can edit and change and put what is literally favorite for you. Okay, and as you see, it has changed. All right, so after that, you just tap on the word publish. As you see, it has been published. Now, if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with someone you think actually needs to know this, okay? Leave a like on this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people so that they can actually get help and know more about this particular feature that a lot of people literally need to turn on. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.